Hello everybody, it's Stephanie with Coco and Allie Boutique Crafting Page. I went to my Dollar Tree today, y'all, and they have what's called the Dollar Tree Plus section, and they've got items in there for $3 and $5. But anyway, I got this tray in there for $5. It's a wooden tray. So we're going to use this, and then I got one of the placemats for $1 that says Home Sweet Home, and this for our craft today, and then some whoops, I didn't realize that was open, Waverly antique wax. So before I stain this, I'm gonna trace it onto my placemat so I can cut out the size that I need. I thought this would be like a nice Mother's Day gift. That you can make for your mom or your grandmother or anybody, you know, anything like that. Okay. My day's been good, Michelle. I had to go out and run errands in this, y'all, in Georgia. It's pouring down rain today, or at least where I'm at. And so I had to, and you're going to want to cut a little bit inside your line, if you can see what I'm doing there, because to make up for the thickness of the sides. But yeah, it's pouring down rain out there. I got up this morning and I was like, oh no, and I've got 1,000,001 things to do today, but I got them done, even in the rain. Okay. So, see, I just cut that end off. So, there we have that cut out. And I'm going to make sure it fits down in here before I start staining. Alright, y'all, I finally got that. Woohoo! And look, it looks perfect in there. So that's the good thing. Alright. And I like to use baby wipes. And I'm using this Waverly antique wax instead of actual stain because it doesn't have all the fumes and everything that stain, you know, real stain has. So I just, you know, get me some wax on my baby wipe, and I just go at it. Well, I don't know. This one, I might do better to use a sponge. Let's see. And you don't have to do the inside bottom or the back. Just do the sides. Okay, let's see. Oh, there we go. Okay. And make sure to get inside your handles. Now I'm just doing the sides, y'all. But y'all see, this is real easy. Just dunk it and rub it. Make sure to get the inside of your handles, like I said. All right, y'all, I'm just about finished. Okay, so this is what I have. So the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to take some just regular Mod Podge. So I just poured some Mod Podge on the bottom of the tray, and I'm just brushing it on now, y'all. And Mod Podge dries clear, so if you get any on your the sides of it, it's fine, because it dries clear. Okay, I'm going to try to get some of this Mod Podge off the side. All right, so then just stick your placemat or whatever you're using in the bottom of it. And, you know, press it down real good. Isn't that cute, y'all? For $6, you can make that. And I would give this as a gift. I think it would be a nice gift. And you can use it to sit like on your coffee table, or like if you have a side table or a console table or anything like that. You can use it like it's a dough bowl. You can use it as a food tray, like I said, if you, which, Paula, wasn't even thinking about it. This is food safe because it's a placemat. So, you could, thank you everybody. Y'all give me hearts if you like it. You could use it. I think it would be really sweet if you still live with your mom. You know, for like kids to make for their mom and serve her breakfast in bed on or something on Mother's Day. So anyway, $6. And you can do a lot with it. Again, that's it, y'all.